subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the updates instantaneously. Hello everyone and welcome to MHC Tech Talks. In today's video, we are going to see how the Apple Watch works and we'll see all the basic operations which can be done using this Apple Watch. So without wasting any time, let's get started. As this is the getting started video with Apple Watch, first thing I will tell you how to wear this. I mean, most of the users will eventually get to know about it, but wearing it is quite easy. You just need to keep the strap like this. You need to keep this part below. Just need to put on this strap like this. Once it is done, you can put this inside. So this is how you wear it. So this was the first step. This is how you wear this watch. I mean, the strap, you need to lock the strap and put the bigger strap inside this small one. So this is how you wear the strap. Now let's see how do you turn on this Apple Watch. So here is the power button. Just hold it for 3 seconds, and once you hold it for 3 seconds, the Apple logo appears and now it will start up. So starting your Apple Watch is quite easy. Just need to press the power button for 3 seconds. So now I have turned on my watch. So I have already made a video how to pair your Apple Watch with your iPhone. I'll leave the link in the description. You can go ahead and watch that video. Now we will see few of the other basic things which we can do using Apple Watch. So I'll just once again pair my Apple Watch. For that I'll have to turn on my Bluetooth. I have turned on my Bluetooth and now my Apple Watch would be connected with this one. Now let's see few of the other basic things which we can do using the Apple Watch. If you want to see the recent app, you just need to press this power button once and it will give you the recent apps which are open. Now let us check how to calculate the heart rate. For that we have this heart rate app. You just need to wear your watch and it will start measuring, as you can see over here. So it says it's measuring the heart rate. So once it is done, it will show the value. So the current heart rate is 89 beats per minute. So this is how you can check your heartbeat. Then again, if you want to toggle between the apps, you just need to press this power button once and then it shows you the recent apps which are open, and then you can navigate through all the other apps. So now if you want to access basic functions, like if you want to connect your phone to Wi-Fi, you just need to scroll it down from lower part of the screen to the upper part of the screen. We have various functions. You can set your watch in vibration mode. You can have torch. You can there are various other functionalities over here. It shows the battery percentage also. So this is how you set different options for this Apple Watch. Now let's see. As I told you, if you want to see the recent app, you just need to press the power button once and then you can have lot of other options, like you can even listen to music, you can make calls, you can send and receive messages from this one. We'll see how you can do that. So this is the home screen, and if you want to open all apps in this, so you just need to press the digital crown once. So once you press it, it will show all the apps. I mean, you can navigate through all different kind of apps which are pre-installed in this one. We have weather, we have tracking, we have activity monitor, we have alarm, we have navigation, we have photos. The good thing is you can even see the photos which you have clicked in the iPhone. So just to activate this, you just need to press the digital crown once and you get the home screen, I mean the app drawer kind of thing. Here you have memo, messages, timer, messaging, music, settings and all the other things. So this is how you can activate the app drawer. So one more thing very good about Apple Watch is it has got sensors, and when you twist your watch, it automatically, I mean, detects your presence and then shows the lock screen. So this is how they have provided a good functionality. If I turn it on, it awakes. So this is something good. Then if you want to activate Siri, just long press this crown and Siri gets activated. Hey Siri, how is the weather in Pune?
Okay, here's the weather for today.
So you can access your Siri and other voice commands by long pressing this digital crown. Now if you want to make a call to someone, you just need to activate Siri and say, hey Siri, call Mayank.
Calling Mayank.
So it will give a call to Mayank, and I mean it's quite easy. And similarly, if you get a call, you can just receive it from here itself. It has got mic as well as speaker. So now if you want to turn off your Apple Watch, you just need to long press the power button. Then it will give us two options. One is for power off and another one is for emergency. You just need to slide it like we do in iPhone, and then your Apple Watch will turn off. You can even see the notifications in this one. So once your iPhone is logged, then all the notifications would be appearing here, like have received some notifications. I have got some tweet from Marcus Brownlee. I mean, he just tweeted something so that I can read over here. Then I have messaged myself from my another phone, so I can read the notifications, WhatsApp notification. Other phone notifications are also available, and if you want to clear it, you just need to press clear. Also, if you want to reply, like if you are driving or something, and if you want to reply to WhatsApp message, you just need to click on that WhatsApp message and click on reply. You have various other options, like you can type through gestures. You can also speak. So I'll just say, I am driving right now, I will call you back later. So it will just predict, and you just need to tap and send. So it's quite handy. I mean, again, text messages are shown over here, so you can see I got some text message from Paytm and so on. So I mean, reading notifications is quite easy in this one. Then I have already told you how we need to open the app drawer. You just need to press the digital crown. There are plethora of apps, and you can even download more from Apple Store, so this is something very good. And then yeah, messages and all would be there. Let us say if you want to call someone, you can even call someone. You can even pick up your calls from this one. So this is something very good and very handy while you are driving or while you are working out in the gym. So in all, just to give the physical overview, this is the digital crown, and it acts as a multiple button over here. I mean, you can do a lot of things through this, and then there is one normal power button. Apart from that, all the other things you can do from this touch screen. Also, if you have added your card in this one, you can access the Apple Pay by pressing the power button for some time, and once you press it, your Apple Pay would be activated, and so on. So guys, this was a small basic overview of this watch, and we just tried to show you like how to use it, how to turn it on, how to turn it off. So hope you guys like this small video, and if you guys like this small video, do hit like, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe to our channel, and I will see you guys in next one.